In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right X app, formerly known as Twitter app, on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so first I'll uninstall this app, and here we go. I no longer have it. Now to get started, go to your phone and look for this app called Google Play Store if you're on Android like me. However, if you're on iPhone, look for App Store. From this, now you can see we have a search bar here. If you don't see this search bar, you should see a search icon below. Just tap on it to activate search, and from this just search X and then run the search. Here you can see we have this app. This is the X app, formerly known as Twitter app. To know that it's the right app, make sure it is from X Corporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 22 million reviews. At the moment, this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times, and the average file size is around 84 MBs, and this is the current logo for this app. So with this, you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, just tap on install like that, and this will download the latest version of X app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go to your apps and open, now you can see we have our X app here. Go ahead and create an account, or if you already have an account, just proceed and log in to start using your X app. So that's how you can install the right X app. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.